Ready to see me working on another Sunday comic strip for Poison Ivy Gulch? Then you need to check this video out. Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. As you know, I draw comics, I do children's picture books, and today I'm inking this Sunday comic strip. Once the ink is dry, I'm going to color it. Now the main tool I'm using, I've already done the balloons, the letters, the panels, and part of the thing here. I'm going to be using a Koh-i-Noor rapidograph pen. Alright. I'm going to be inking these two guys who are having a beer in the saloon. And we better get some more light there. Alright. The Koh-i-Noor rapidograph pen. It's a pain to clean. But some people swear by it, such as Jason Shiga. Robert Crumb, the famous underground cartoonist, uses rapidograph pens. Look them up if you never heard of them. Alright. Now yes, the line kind of looks thin and cold compared to the power of the line you get out of a dipping pen, which is my usual tool. But it's still good to use in drawing. One of the main problems I have with technical drawing pens like the rapidograph is these are a pain to clean. You have to use water as well as pen cleaning solution to flush out the dried ink and its residue. Otherwise the pen will clog up. Alright. So I've got this guy's derby hat inked in. Again, you have to use whatever tools work best for you. If you like drawing digitally on the computer, do it. If you prefer to draw the old-fashioned way like I do, do it. It's not unusual for people to find tools early on their career and, you know, stay hitched for life. Alright, there we go. This one is inked. I'm going to finish inking this, and after this dries I'm going to start coloring it in. Right. I've said it many times before, drawing is a skill that anyone can learn. You know, you can't be afraid of failure. You can't be afraid of what your mother will think, or what your neighbors will think, or your teachers, or those weirdos on the internet. Hell, I get taunted online a lot for what I draw. And yet, in spite of everything, I choose to keep going. You can't be afraid of failure, and you can't be afraid of criticism. Alright, see how nice that's coming along? It's a mechanical line, but it's still a good line. It works. And yeah, that's because we're going to color this in later. So no need to do the really thick lines that I use when I do black and white artwork. ink the mug of beer here. Nice foamy mug of beer. They did drink beer in the Old West. Well, whiskey was the drink of choice. They had other stuff there. Brandy, wine, beer, and all kinds of cocktails too you could order in the saloons. Yes, it's looking super duper. You see how good that looks? Alright, let me just do the guy's skinny friend here. See, I have a contrast here, fat and skinny. I'll show the complete joke to you in just a minute. I'm just finishing this guy. Guy with the hair and mustache. Maybe he's got a bit too much hair, as you're about to see in the gag I'm using here. Alright, let's finish inking you. Let's ink you in. Alright, I'll let this dry. Later I'll erase the pencil lines, retouch some of the inks, and do the colors. Alright, let's see the joke here. Wow, this new beer really does put hair on your chest. He's going to need a shave after this. Well, that's it for today's video. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button too and the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Check out the link below in the description if you want to see more of my work, Poison Ivy Gulch. Until then, it's me, Max West, saying goodbye.